Hi, I'm Joseph Falbo, certified financial planner. Today I want to talk about noise. And most of the time when you think of noise, you're thinking of a loud horn, maybe a dog barking, maybe you're at a loud coffee shop or on a busy street. But today I'm talking about the information we're taking in on a daily basis. Noise is what I would call it, or some may argue it's called hysterical noise, okay, or hysteria. Now, as an investor, we need to be very conscious of what we're bringing in, okay, and have our guard up. Noise in the investing world usually has to do with media headlines, concerning forecasts in the future, and short-term market movements. All things that change often, daily. Sometimes it seems like it's changing with the wind. And it's all something that's out of our control. We can't control these things on a daily basis. So paying attention to this noise and hysteria can have significant downsides. Investors that watch financial news too much, or the short-term moves in the markets too much, can experience sleeplessness, worry, anxiety, all things that can actually affect your health. So not only is it hurting our long-term financial plan or our financial wealth, but it also could be hurting our health. Now, news headlines and market movements are mostly noise in the short term, in my opinion. They're mostly noise in the short term. Now, we could shut out that noise by having a long-term plan, a long-term view, a long-term lifetime plan based on your needs, your wants, and your goals. Now, for example, if you take the S&P 500, for example, and you look and you take it out daily, if you're looking at it daily, 56% of the time it's up on a daily basis. Historically, from 1926 till today, if you look at the S&P 500 on a day-to-day basis, it's up a little more than half of the days. Okay? If you stretch that out 1 year, make your time horizon a little longer to 1 year, it's up historically from 1926 till today 75% of the time. So that means on a 1 year basis, you have a 75% chance of it being up for the year. Then if you stretch it out over a lifetime type of goals, well within a lifetime type of goals, 10 years, you're at 95% positive for the S&P 500. It is in your best interest to identify and be aware of and ignore the noise of news headlines and short-term market movements, and instead focus on the long term. Focus on your plan. Focus instead on playing the long game. Of course, I'm always here to help you. I hope you got something out of this message. Thank you very much.